Hi. So we've just spent this week doing some revision for the test. However, just so I can have some time with you when we get back, um, there will be a Monday lesson on about the 15th of June to do some more revision. In the meantime, on the Wednesday, first week back, we'll get a prac in. That's the leaves under the microscope. So hopefully you heard me ask to make sure you've got your prac book. If need be, go and buy one. So we're going to mark attendance lesson 3, week 9. So that's our last lesson of remote learning. Yay! And go to lesson, it's called week 6, practical lesson 3. All right, so we have already done these two. We did this one at school before we went to lockdown. We did that one during remote learning. We're doing this one here, which is prac lesson number 3. So the first thing I need you to do is open up this practical report here and listen carefully, please, so that you don't have any confusion. I need you to copy all of this first page. So get the written section ready. Remember how to rule up like it's shown here. If you can, have the other two pages printed out, and so these can be cut and paste into your summary book on the graph page. So this is the apparatus, and here is the result. Also goes on the graph page. Because remember, we need a clear white surface when we're recording biology type results, which is usually looking in a microscope. Um, then I need you to recall from year 7 the parts of the microscope, and to before you actually do this, maybe watch the video and then come back and complete this theory. All of this must be done by the day we get back on together on Wednesday. So I'll check your prac book that you have. Repeat, written out the first page and cut and pasted the two other pages, making sure you filled in the theory and the labeling. We have a video for you, two in actual fact. Remember, before doing the theory, maybe watch this one on what is a stomata. And as a preliminary, I'll go through it again on the day of the prac, just to show you how to make a wet mount slide. In other words, when you got some leaf and you want to look under a microscope, there's a certain technique that's called making a wet mount slide. So watch that. And the advantage of all these things, of course, you can pause, rewind if you're not too sure what was said. So have a good final lesson of remote. This should keep you enough work there for one lesson at least. Repeat, you will be marked for having completed this work, which is sort of like homework, prior to me seeing you again on Wednesday, the 10th, I think it is. Have a good, no, it's actually maybe, yeah, 10th. Have a good day.